Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. This is your girl Krys B. So I am coming to you with a new video. So if you are new here, please make sure that you subscribe to the channel, turn on those notification bells so you can get a notification of when I upload my videos. If you are not new here, welcome back, fam. Make sure that you like, comment, and if you haven't done so already, turn on that notification bell. All right, so I'm coming to you today with a series that I want to get into. I've been thinking about this series for a while now to do it, but it's going to be called Music Video Mondays. I'm either going to come to you every other Monday or every Monday with an inspired music video look, and this can be videos new or old from all types of genres of music. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and do a recreation of the inspired look. Like I said, recreation, so don't y'all come for me in the comment section, all right? So it's gonna be a recreation of an inspired makeup look that I see on the music video, and I'm gonna go ahead and bring it to you. While I am doing the video, I want you to, down below in the comment section, guess what music video this may come from. I don't know yet if I'm going to actually put the music video in the title or I'm going to leave it a mystery, and then I want you guys to guess, and then at the end of the video I'll tell you exactly where it came from and a snippet of the song. All right, so everyone, thanks again. Also stay tuned, let's get into it.
And I'm just taking both of these mist just to hydrate my skin. You always want to make sure that you have a good canvas to work on. And what I like to do is put highlighter underneath of my foundation just so it can kind of give me a glow. And what I'm doing is I'm just basically pressing this Nye Banana Powder where I concealed. I do not want to bake for this look, so I'm just basically taking that smaller brush and pressing it in just so it doesn't crease. And right here, just for the color to show up a lot more for me, I actually used a little bit of setting spray. And then I'm only taking this brush just to go ahead and blend out everything, make sure that it's seamlessly together. I did not have any type of product on this brush at all. And now you'll see me just kind of go back in to the other brushes with those pinks and purples just to kind of freshen up. So these eyelashes are called Eye Candy. I'm going to go ahead and link the website below. They are very beautiful and gorgeous. Remember that BB palette that I used? I told you I would try to use it for something. But after this, I think I'm going to go ahead and discard it. And the lashes were so gorgeous. The band is thick, so it's an easier application. I think these will be very great for beginners. Okay, so I'm using the NYX loose eyeshadow glitter for the lip. It's a job trying to get it off, but it made for a great look. So it was all worth it. Alright, so I'm using MAC Dolly Mix Blush, but have a dupe here. That's the NYX Bubblegum Pink. So you'll be able to create this look with that dupe. The MAC one is discontinued. And I'm taking it back to that Becca Champagne Pop for the highlight. Did my swoop, and I did my eyebrows off camera too, and that is the product that I used. And here's my braided ponytail, and you'll watch me just go ahead and get the hairdo together to complete the look. I'm just jamming a little bit to this. And I'm going to finish it off with the Infallible Matte Spray. Alright, so did y'all guess the video?